Come test drive the 2021 RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, chrome wheels, rear spoiler, power lift gate, brake assist, daytime running lights, fog lamps, FWD, privacy glass, integrated turn signal mirrors. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.